Yeah, I'm gonna take the drone, the little one, fly it in the house and bug my daughter.
Take off.
I can't hear it. There we go.
Home point updated.
What is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my god, get it out of here! Get it out of here! I thought it was a fucking Roomba!
I thought it was a...
I have to come ask you, why the fuck is the Roomba so loud? I thought it was a Roomba! I'm not even kidding, get that out of here! Leah, get it! Get it, Lane! Squirt, get it! Get it, dog! Come on, protect me! Get it away from mommy! Stop it! I don't want it! I don't want it!
They don't know what to do.
I don't want it! Help me! Help me, dog! Dog, come on. Are you serious? If there was a real intruder, would you do it? Like a fucking baby! What if an alien attacked us? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Get it out of my face, bro! I'm about to smack it. I'm not even.
Don't hit
I'm not
it.
even fucking with you. I'm gonna fucking smack it.
Here, you want a fan?
No, I can feel the breeze. I'm good. I'm fine. Get it the fuck out of here, man.
You don't like my drone?
No, I don't like the drone. Get the fucking drone out of my goddamn bedroom. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Get it out.
Alright, I'm getting it. Hang on. It's hard to fly in small areas. Here, I'll land it down here.
I don't care where you land it. Just get it the fuck out. Alright.
Landing.
Smooth landing. Oh my god.
Did you like that?
That was funny.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I want to see the video.
Alright, well, I gotta set it up, so... let's see. Well, that worked out pretty good.
I heard it, and I was like...
You were like, what the fuck is that?
I was like, is that the Roomba?
Look at the camera. See?
Oh, wow.
You can talk
I
to
thought
him.
it was the Roomba.
Yeah. Well, the Roombas ran out of gas down there, but... Alright.
I did. I thought it was Roomba. And I was about to ask you, I was about, like, when I noticed it, I was like, why the fuck is the Roomba making so much goddamn noise?
Anyways. Cool
All right,
fight.
Eileen out.
Eileen's out. Bye.